Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west on Boscobel Drive towards Mayflower Close in Boscobel Heights, St. Mary Parish. Turning onto Mayflower Close, and the sign on the right reads, "This way to the Hills of Boscobel." If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Preston View. Additionally, Mayflower Close is the main route leading to the Hills of Boscobel. The road on the right will take you to the Hills of Boscobel, and the sign to the left reads, "This way to the Hills of Boscobel." Mayflower Close ends and we are turning back to Boscobel Drive. Again, the road behind us will take us to the Hills of Boscobel. We are back at Boscobel Drive. Going left will take you to Preston View, and going right will take you towards the Northern Coastal Highway. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.